Hello everyone! Here are quick 3 tips to make your business write-ups more conversational in nature. That means your readers can connect more to your write-ups. They feel it is more engaging and it's more personal in nature. One is make use of first and second person pronouns like I, we, you. When you use these words in your write-up, the readers feel that you are speaking directly to them. You are speaking directly to one person and they feel more connected to you and they feel like reading your write-up. Number 2, make use of rhetorical questions. Ask a question which has a yes or no answer. So that keeps your readers more engaged and they feel that they are involved in the conversation. 3, tell stories to invoke emotions, to invoke that feelings in your readers. So do try these techniques in your write-ups.